Hey guys, my name is Kelly. Today I'm going to be telling you what sold as a part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari in the month of April. First of all, my Instagram is rebel_rose_co. You should definitely follow me there. I just got monetized on Reels there, so I'm going to be posting a bunch. If you're not already subscribed, it'd mean a lot to me if you did subscribe. I post thrift hauls. I just posted a couple of videos on the Real Reel. They haven't gotten that many views, so yeah, I think maybe people aren't really into the Real Reel. I post stuff on Thredup, Poshmark, Thrift With Me videos, which I need to make some more of those soon. So if you watch the whole way through, like, comment, subscribe, that means a lot to me. I'm really trying to grow my channel, so if you just head on down there, click like, tell me what your best sale was, that really helps me out a lot. So we're gonna start with Poshmark and then we'll go to eBay and Mercari. So sales are slow. I have not been listing very much and there's a lot of changes with the Poshmark algorithm. So I'm going to share what sold. It's not a bunch of high-end stuff, but it's a lot of bread and butter. I sold a new with tags, Princess, I'm looking down at my computer by the way. I sold a new with tags, Princess Polly Satin Champagne Puff Sleeve Square Star Power Neck Dress. That was like a tongue twister. So the brand was Princess Polly. It was a satin champagne puff sleeve square neck. The style name was Star Power. I also realized that I mixed up the order of a few of these words. I said puff sleeve square star power neck dress when it's square neck. Ugh, whatever. It sold for $36. It was a size 0, so I was really glad that this sold. It sold really quick too. I think I paid $3 for this. It was in one of my most recent hauls. This is a really great brand and I would definitely pick this up again. I love selling things for $36. Yeah, I sold, this was something that I wish I got a little more for, but it was sitting for forever. And also I had a bunch of very small sales this month, like $10 sales that I was just accepting offers on because the algorithm is messing everything up and I just wanted to get some stuff out. So this is a vintage Y2K metallic blue tracksuit coat pant set. Everything's a tongue twister today. I got this for free honestly probably like 2 years ago at an estate sale. I talked about this estate sale in a bunch of videos. I got everything for free. They were giving everything away on the last day. So the brand was Great Cavalier by St. Paul. It was just this really cool like windbreaker pants, very Y2K, definitely was made back then. I only got $24 for it and I wish I'd gotten more, but I've relisted it so many times, you know, so sometimes it's just take what you can get. Next was a floral Ralph Lauren pajama top. Just a super cute button-up floral pajama top. I got $22 for it. It's fine with me. Okay, I sold a pair of Cool Splash roll-up outdoor pants. I only got $32 for these. I feel like I could have maybe gotten a little more, but $32 is fine. I did not pay very much for these at all, so I will take that. This is a great outdoor brand. Theory Supima Cotton and Modal 3/4 length sleeve top. Again, I only got $15 for this, but some of these things, it's like, I'm just trying to keep things moving. This was a really cool one. It was from one of my most recent thrift hauls. It was a Powder Milk Biscuits vintage 80s, 90s graphic sweatshirt. So yeah, I think I paid $1 for this, maybe $3. I can't remember quite exactly, but it was just a vintage Powder Milk biscuits like logo and it had bleach staining on it, so I still got $30 for it and I was super happy with that. I had just listed this from one of my most recent hauls also. It's a Hobo International Lauren genuine leather purple snap wallet clutch. These are all like tongue twisters. It did have some wear on it, so I accepted an offer of $20. Super happy with that. I don't sell bags a ton. Okay, this was a Club Monaco Casey linen eyelet moto jacket. I accepted an offer for $18. I paid $4 for it. That's not great. Probably wouldn't do that again, but Poshmark is really slow right now, so I accepted that offer. I sold a new with tags Alice and Olivia black quilted mini skirt, retailed for $2.45. I sold it for $32. Again, this had been listed for forever. It was in their like business line or whatever, but it was like really short, so I don't know. I accepted an offer for $32. Okay, this was a brand that I had never heard of. The brand was Bishop. These were black genuine leather laser cut loafers. I had purchased these just because of the style. The brand didn't seem like a whole lot, and they're really cute. They sat for forever. I sold them for $25. This was a new to me brand, Carved Designs. It was the Ava bikini top slash sports bra. It was kind of either. Sold for $16. All right, I sold this Vince black satin chiffon shift dress. It retailed for $518. I sold it for $65. I've had this listed for years. I don't know why nobody wanted it at first. It's super cute. Satin and chiffon. I had a stock photo that showed how good it looked. So yeah, I finally sold it for $65. Next was a Cleo Bella. The style name was Naive. I don't know if that's how you say it. It's Nieve. Striped, sexy, cutout mini dress. Super cute. I wish this was in my size, but it was a size small. I sold it for $34. I had actually sourced this on Thredup a decent amount of time ago. I sold on a Lean Fisher black midi skirt. It was a size small petite, and it had no material tag. It was just this like ribbed midi skirt. I sold for $34. Super happy with that. It was a size petite, and it had no material content. So I think $34 is pretty good. This was from my own closet. It was Lululemon muted red high-rise crop align leggings. I wore these for so long, and I had paid not very much for them, and I got an offer for $30. I kind of wanted a little more because I've sold ones almost exactly like this. They were just a brighter red for $70. But I accepted the offer for I accepted the offer for $30. Next was a bundle. It was 2 Spanx spot-on lace bralettes. I literally just posted these, and the same person bought both of them for $30. Super happy with that. I paid almost nothing. I sold an Eliza J Anthropologie faux wrap polka dot dress. Also, I said faux, not fox. You should be happy. I always say fox. I don't know why. My brain can't like understand to say faux. I sold it for $30. It sat for a long time, but $30 is great. I sold a million things for like $10. Okay, I sold an Akimi and Kim white crochet oversized sheer top. This brand is sold at Anthropologie. I had a stock photo. It was pretty cute. I sold it for $17, and I was happy with that. This was in, I think, my very last thrift haul. It was a 100% silk, or 100% pure silk, floral vintage mid-century modern style scarf. Super cute. I loved the colors. The colors were very mid-century modern. It was awesome. It did have some flaws though. It was separating from the seam. So I got an offer of $15, I think 2 days after I listed it, and I accepted. Super happy with that. I would definitely pick a scarf like that up again. I don't pick up like accessories that often, but I was happy with that. Okay, I sold a bundle for $45, and it included a Calvin Klein neutral leopard print dress. This had been listed for forever, and a pair of Citizens of Humanity Rocket high-rise skinny dark wash jeans. Those retailed for $228, but resale is a lot lower than that. But both of those items for $45, I was very happy with that. And then I sold a bundle for $28. It was a Free People Adela blue floral lace bralette and a floral satin lace lingerie pajama set. The first item, the Free People one, I literally just posted. The other one, and it did have some pilling and wear, so I was happy with this price. The other one, it was unbranded, and it was just this like satin lace floral like pajama kind of set. So yeah, I accepted a offer of $28 for that. All right, that's all I'm going to share for Poshmark. Now I'm going to go to Mercari. If you're still watching, that means a lot to me. I don't make any money off these videos, and they do take up a lot of my time. So it's really nice when people watch the whole thing. So for Mercari, I'm a little confused because the ones that say completed, some of them say this month, when really I think that's just when they were accepted or whatever. So, but I did sell this pink Victoria's Secret gray long sleeve pullover top. I sold it for $24. It was sitting for a long time. It seems like pink Victoria's Secret does pretty well on Mercari, and I learned that from That Is Rad. You should definitely check out her channel. She sells a lot of pink Victoria's Secret. And then I sold a linen striped top by Velvet Graham and Spencer. This was also sitting for forever. I sold it for $15 plus shipping. Okay, so that was not a lot for Mercari. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed about that. But yeah, I'm gonna talk about slow sales in another video. All right, so on eBay, I sold a couple of things. I sold this 100% silk green peasant style satin top with bow. Brand is Fashion Instincts. I don't know anything about that brand, but it was a really pretty top. It was like a peasant style, had a bow. It was 100% silk, and it sold for $20 on eBay. And then this was a rose and olive floral chiffon tank top. It's one of those things where I was like, why did I list this? It's probably retailed for $20, but I did sell it for $16.25, and that was good for me. Our last item was a Anthropologie Diletta taupe knit chiffon mixed media long sleeve top, and I sold it for $12. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing another video about slow sales. So yeah, but if you got this far, that means a lot to me. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I will see you next time. Bye.